Welcome back to Outdoor Skills Made Easy. You know, every year we like to review the things that are in our emergency essentials backpack. And we love day hiking, probably more than extended hiking at this point in my life. But it's time to review everything. And I thought, if you were to look at everybody's list of things that were really essential, or they thought were essential, you could probably buy a lot of gear and fill up your backpack and it'd be too heavy to carry. So this video really is about what is the essential thing for you. A lot of people will say, take your map, take your compass, take some paracord, you need a live straw, you need some kind of a great flashlight. But we like to think about the big three, which would be water, shelter, and warmth. So if you're really in a lost situation, those are the things that you need to concentrate on. For me, I consider my folding knife on my belt as part of the essentials. But the number one thing in your essential bag should be a calm attitude and a positive mental attitude, so if you are lost. But let's talk about the big three. Water. So the thing that I like to have always is a life straw, just purifies the water. If I'm lost, there's got to be nothing worse than being out there and being lost and having dysentery. So let's face it, a water purification is really important. A lot of the hydration packs nowadays actually have a little filter that you can put on the hydration pack. So if yours has that option, it's a great way to go. So I always carry my water filter. Shelter is the next thing that I'm concerned about. I spent a lot of years considering in the out of doors, what could I find for emergency shelter? Whether it's up underneath a tree, finding an overhang that I can get out of the weather in, watching the prevailing winds, all of those types of things, really important. But one of the things that I really like to carry because it's so lightweight is just a little life bivvy, and it's basically an emergency blanket in the form of a sleeping bag. So my life bivvy always goes with me, lightweight, easy to carry. And then the third thing that I always carry is a magnesium block that has a little ferro rod on the side so that I can easily start a fire. Those are the basics for me. And on my hiking day pack, really this is about everything that I need to put my emergency supplies in. So the ferro rod and the magnesium block go in there. I've got a little signal mirror here. I've got an additional whistle, and I don't carry a lot of, paracord, that type of thing. But what I do like to have is a little paracord bracelet. And on my bracelet, I've got a compass and I've got an emergency whistle, which doesn't sound like much, but when people are out looking for you, that little bit of a whistle is really important. So when you're deciding what is best for you, start with, where am I going to be hiking? Do I generally hike on a paved trail where I have cell service? Or do I like extended backpacks where I'm out of cell service range? I might be away from people. And if you take those things into consideration, you can put together the ideal emergency supply for you. We hope that you enjoy hiking in the outdoors as much as we do. We hope that you'll stay safe, and we hope that you'll join us again at OSME TV.